Excellent in government.
Were there times you were so confused about what was going on?
I wasn't confused because I know that at the end of the day, the right thing will be done. Because I won the election squarely from day one. I know that whatever amount of time it takes to manipulate, it will never see the light of the day. So I was calm, I was patient, and I was waiting for the D-Day, and it eventually came.
Was this your toughest ever election?
APC in his bid to see that he declares her. But unfortunately, because of the quantum of the votes we have gotten, he couldn't cancel them. He became confused. I think INEC has taken steps. They are going to prosecute him, but I think the right place to prosecute him is in Adamawa because he committed the offense in my land and take case. Go there as he won any election. Then we'll discuss that one there.
Thank you so very much.
Thank you.
Your Excellency, Madam.